Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do if Pinterest blocks your website link. Now here I have a pin that leads back to my Natural Home Remedies blog, and it takes me exactly to the post. And this website has been blocked on Pinterest. This website's link is not allowed on Pinterest, but I was able to go ahead and redirect my links on Pinterest using a simple little tag that you can go ahead and create 100% free. And as you can see, this pin has 25 saves and 104 clicks. So if I go to my profile right now, you're going to see that I have other pins here that have, this one has 59 clicks, 68 clicks, 31 clicks, and so on and so forth. So you are still able to add your links to Pinterest even after they block your website. Now, all you got to do is go to Google and create a Gmail account. This is very easy. Once you do, you want to scroll all the way down to Blogger, and you just click on that. You're going to have the option to create a Blogger blog. Now, all you got to do is once you've created your Blogger blog, name it whatever it is that you want, you just want to come down here and click on New Blog. So I have this post. It's called Fat Burning Tea. But I think I already created a link for this. So I'm going to go ahead and create, let's say I want to go ahead and add this one to Pinterest. Now all of the links from this website has been blocked, and all you got to do is go to your Blogger, and I'm going to type in celery side effects, and just go ahead and copy that, paste it in here. Now you want to name it something that is relevant to your post already so that you don't forget it. And as you can see, this is available. So you just go ahead and create blog. Okay, once you do that, you want to go to your theme and you want to edit your HTML. Once you're here, you want to locate where it says head, and you just want to click the enter tab. Now on my blog, I have a blog post ready for you guys, and it's in the step 6 section. Here's a code that you're going to be able to copy. Just go ahead and copy that code and go back and paste it under the head section. Now go back to your blog post that you want to add to Pinterest, and you just want to go ahead and copy the link. Go back to your Blogger HTML, and where you have this HTTP between brackets and it ends with a slash, you just want to go ahead and copy that, and you want to paste in the link for your blog post. Just go ahead and save that. Save it twice, 3 times, whatever, and you can go ahead now and check and see if the link redirects back to the post. There you go. So it is that easy, guys. Now you can go ahead and create as many redirects using Blogger as you possibly can for all of your blog posts. It is that easy. What you want to do right now is just go ahead and grab your image below. You just save image as, remember the name, and that is harmful side effects, and you want to go back to Pinterest and just create a pin, upload your pin, harmful side effects, open that up, and you can go ahead and grab your title, copy, go back to Pinterest, add that in there, paste, go back to your blog post, get your description, and you want to go ahead and add that to Pinterest. Once you do, this is where you're going to go ahead and add in your link. So that was celery side effects.blogspot.com. And now you can go ahead and add it to whatever board that you want to add it to. And I'm going to add it to health. You want to see your pin, and you want to go ahead and click on it. It should take you back to my Natural Home Remedies website. Now, you don't have to worry about this getting banned on Pinterest. It's not going to get banned. Your job now is to go ahead and use Facebook groups to get repins, or if you have group boards, you can go ahead and save this to group boards to start driving traffic back to your blog. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. You can go ahead and try this, and you can try the same method for redirecting affiliate links onto Pinterest. And thank you guys so much for watching.